Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Friday, November 1st, 2019. Can you believe it's already November? Also, I wanted to apologize for there being no announcements yesterday. I'm going to personify technology, which means I'm giving human-like characteristics to something that is not human, like technology. But I feel like technology was mad at me yesterday and it was being evil and it wouldn't let me upload this video. So I apologize for that, but we're back and running and technology likes me again and is being nice. So today is Friday. We made it. And it's a beginning of a whole new month. That means you guys have been in school most of August, all of September, and all of October, and now we're starting out November. I'm super excited. You guys also have a really long break in November to be thankful for, just to remind us to be grateful and thankful for all the things we have. All right, please rise and place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing and reflect on the great choices you will make today. You may be seated. We have quite a few birthdays this weekend and yesterday. Allison Munoz, happy day late birthday. I hope you had an amazing birthday. Today, Angel Vasquez in second grade, happy birthday. And tomorrow, Wendy Hernandez Castillo in 5th grade and Stephanie Mendez Lorenzo in 2nd grade have a birthday. And then Sunday, Allison Martinez Ramirez has a birthday. Happy birthday. Please remember to come to my office and get your special birthday gift. Today we're going to remember that rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Also, idea 24 is to keep yourself in the bathroom clean and germ-free. It's also a reminder that we don't mess around or have conversations in the bathroom. Go to the bathroom, wash your hands really well, and you may leave. Also, remember that your hands should be dry before you leave the bathroom, and if they're not, make sure you dry them when you get in the classroom because germs actually spread faster when your hands are all wet. Our vocabulary word of the day is orbit, the curved path described by a planet, spaceship, satellite around a celestial body. So I know a lot of you have talked about the planets and how certain planets orbit around others. Some announcements. Remember to bring your $5 and we will send Mr. Brown an email and he will make you a new ID. Also, today is Friday and that means you have town hall if you earned it. Take some time to look at your uniform. However, if you're not in your uniform, you should be in career day uniform. So you should be dressed up the way that you would like to be when you grow up. What would you like to be? Some of you may be firemen or policemen or teachers or maybe a principal or something like that. But it's always nice to get excited about what your future may bring. And so I hope some of you dressed up today. If you did not dress up, that doesn't give you a free dress day. You should be in your normal Friday dress. Okay, announcements. So yesterday, 5th grade had their science test. Some of them are still finishing up. And then today, they have the 2nd grade math test. Good luck, 2nd graders. Yesterday, we did not meet ADA. We had 22 scholars out, which means we hit 96%, and we needed to hit 97%. But for those of you that were here all week long, you guys are going to be entered in the attendance challenge, and we will pick your name and get you your presents. Okay, let's say the Renberga chant together. Ready? Go. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a fabulous, fabulous Friday, and remember the choice is yours. Also, make sure you're here every single day next week, all next week, the week after, because there's only a few weeks in November, and then you get a whole week off, and we have a really special surprise. Remember last time we did the petting zoo? Well, next week I'm going to tell you what your next attendance incentive is. So I'm really excited for that. Also, remember, Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know we really love you, and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents or Dojo, message them of the students that are not in your classroom, and make sure that you've taken attendance and use the GroupMe to let Miss Prez know who is out and why. Thank you all. Happy Friday.